In the last video, hello everyone. In the last video, I told you about the issue of share in installment. In this video, I will tell you about how to issue share in installment and what are the journal entries. Issue of shares in installments. Example, Ram Limited issue share at issue 10,000 equity share in rupees 10 each. Application, allotment, first call and second call. Generalize. Let's do the journal entry of this. Date, okay. Let's understand. When the company issue share, the company receive the application money. It means the application from the applicant. The entry is bank account debit to share application, being application money received. Okay, and the number of share is 10,000 and application money is 3 rupees. It means the total value is 30,000. Total value is 30,000 and the second entry is, then we convert the application money into the capital. Then we cancel the share application account, share application account debit to share capital. Okay, and the amount is same. Then we ask about the second installment. This is our first installment, and the company ask for application, then allot share. Then company asked its second installment. The name of second installment is rupees 2, and the price of rupees, name of installment is allotment, and the price is rupees 2, and the number of share is 10,000. Let's generalize it. The entry will be same. What? The entry will be, in this entry first company asked, in the first entry company first received, but in this entry company first asked about the second installment, that please pay your second installment, like you pay your school fees and installments, you pay first installment, then school asked to pay your second installment, and then after you pay the second installment. In the same way, company asked for the second installment, and the name of installment is share allotment, and the journal entry is share allotment account debit to share capital. The name of installment, this is just a name, and the 10,000 into rupees 2, 20,000. Being allotment money due. Fourth entry. In this entry, company receive the allotment money, that is bank account debit This is the simple case, bank account debit to share allotment. In this entry, we cancel the share allotment account by crediting. In the first entry, when we ask, we make it debtor, and then we cancel the debtor when it receive. It will receive share allotment 10,000 into rupees 2, that is rupees 20,000. Okay. Then we will ask about the third installment. Being allotment money received. Okay. In the third installment, company asked for the first call in the same way like the company asked for the share allotment, and the journal entry is first call account debit to share capital, being first call money received, and the journal entry is the price of the third installment is rupees 2. Then in this entry we will ask 10,000 into 2. Then we will receive the first call money in the last in this entry, that is bank account debit to first call, and the amount is, and same we will do with the second call, and the name of first call will be changed to the second call. Okay guys, let's finish it and understand the next question in the next video. If there is a question, you can ask in the Zoom meeting. Thank you guys.